Today you'll take your quiz for Section 4.3 in Social Studies. Be sure to put your name and class period at the top of the page. Here's the word bank for your fill-in-the-blank section. The first word that has the hole punched through it is Great Awakening. Great Awakening. Jonathan Edwards, John Peter Zenger, private, emphasized, freedom, civic virtue, the Bible, experimenting, enlightenment, education, science, and literacy. Here's number 1. Blank was valued by many people in the colonies. Colonists in New England and Pennsylvania wanted people to be able to study blank. Because of this, the blank rate in New England was high. In the middle colonies, widows and unmarried women ran blank schools. A return to a strong religious faith, called the blank, occurred in the 1730s and 1740s. Number 6, Blank and George Whitefield were preachers who helped spread the revival. Many new churches were formed. These churches blank personal faith rather than church ritual. Now we're on to the line with number 8. The blank was a movement in Europe that placed a great value on knowledge, reason, and blank. People in the colonies developed an interest in nature and began blank. The case of blank brought the issue of blank of the press to the public's attention. Colonists began to value other freedoms. Democratic ideas, practices, and values, known as blank, were put into action. The next section is multiple choice. You have 2 questions. Number 1, the main reason for population growth in the colonies was this. Was it A, epidemics, B, healthcare, C, immigration, or D, large families? Number 2, what were the first colleges set up to do in the colonies? Was their purpose A, to train craftspeople, B, to train doctors, C, to train ministers, or D, to train women?